box.
There's a birdie in the garage?
Yeah.
Where's the birdie? But we
Over there.
over here?
Yeah.
Is that the bird?
Yeah. Careful. Yeah. It's a birdie. I see birdie too. There's another birdie in the way. We can't get up on the birdie.
No, we can't let Ozzy get the birdie.
No. You're such a birdie. It's really got bite me.
Oh, I don't think the birdie will bite you, but we don't want to scare the bird too much. We just want to look at him until he gets his wits back.
So we can fly away.
Yeah.
Look, I see him. Look, I see him. No, don't touch it. I gotta look at it.
Yeah, just look at it. No touching it.
I can look at it.
You can look at it, but we don't want to touch it and we don't want to scare it too much because we want it to be able to fly away. That's it. That's as close as we need to get, buddy. That's it. Don't get any closer.
Look, there's a birdie in the box. You can't get past it. You can't get past it. Oh, the bird has an idea.
Oh, I think he might fly away soon. I think he's feeling better.
He's not flying away. You gotta look at it.
Don't. That's it. That's it. No more. There he goes. Say bye-bye, birdie. Oh, it's a baby birdie. It's a baby birdie.
Oh, look. We can't get it. We can't. Oh, he's up there.
Is that the mama?
Yeah. Nope.
No more. The mama birdie might, honey. Caleb, come back here. Come back here. Okay. Say bye-bye, birdie.
Bye-bye, birdie.
We're going to shut the garage now and watch from inside, okay? Bye-bye, birdie.
Bye-bye.